This video will demonstrate the installation procedure of the LoDock leveler from Bluff Manufacturing. There are three major components in the LoDock leveler assembly: the bumpers, LoDock leveler and a handle. Please visually inspect that these parts were included with your shipment. To begin with installation, clean and prepare dock surface. Center the LoDock leveler to rest on the edge of dock. Drill 3/4 inch anchor holes along the mount plate and install 5 each 3/4 inch by 4 inch wedge anchors. Position the bumpers flush with top of mount plate and butt it up to the sides of the mount plate. Mark the bottom hole location of bumper beam. Drill an anchor hole and install a 3/4 inch by 4 inch wedge anchor bolt. Reposition the bumper on the dock and weld to mount plate. Secure the bottom of the bumper anchor bolt and nut. Re-grease and repaint any burned area. The latch is factory installed with notch against mount plate. Latch should swing freely when leveler is in its rest position. Remove bolt from bottom of handle and position handle into sleeve with bend facing away from dock face. Reinstall bolt into bottom of handle. Test unit for correct operation. Call or visit our website for more information.